Hi, it's me again. It's my second time. Second time. No, it's my second vlog for today. So after the bamboo forest, we're heading now to Danao. We're going to see the new dentist of my foreign driver here. And he loves to drive here in the countryside because there's no traffic. Look at the road. Oh, wala dyan traffic, guys. Grabe, kahawan. Tapay baka dito sa ibabaw sa bungtod, oh. Diba? Nice kaayo diri sa countryside. While driving, you can see the trees, the green, green grass of home. No, green grass in countryside. So, how nice dito diri sa countryside mag road trip ba? I thought, guys, it will rain because it was dark. The cloud is dark. Pero pag-abot na to diri sa may Katmoning, kuha na siya ni init. So, let's eat for our lunch here in Doko. So, pochero lang o rice. That's it. That's enough. So, nabusog na jud. We're full. We're full now. But we want to eat banana. Look at her banana. Ilang kilo ani daw? Ano na ni mga presyo? Ah, kini liki naman ni siya. 45. Wait, sa ano yun? So we are here now in the Sands. So we will find where is the clinic of Dr. Hazel because according to Tita Loy, she's the excellent one. So let's check. I think this is the way up. Of course, way up. Clinic ni Dr. Hazel.
Hazel, Akis, ikita yung ipangitawang. Or you want to have an implant?
She make implant also?
Yes, she's an implantologist.
That's why Lois said she's specialist.
Yeah. Also for the TMJ.
So I will text her when she is here or what?
You can just ask us if she's already here so we can inform you and then we can schedule or book an appointment.
Ah, okay, okay.
Yes.
Your number outside.
Yes, over there. And you can just message us through our Facebook page.
So Dr. Jessa Hansel was not around. She was in Davao and she's friggy. So medyo maybe next week we will try to contact kung maabot na ba si Dr. Jessa. Uy, Ginoo ko. So musulod sa ta sa metro. Maybe mag-coffee or mag-grocery tagamay. So we will buy padlock kay wa tay padlock sa atong gate, no? So in case kung manglakaw ta ba, at least nakapadlock kay para safe sad. Kawato niya to akong bike. Charot. Mangita ta diri oh, padlock. Padlock, where are you?
This is the enough.
Sa mo ni mga padlock dari.
You make it complicated.
Mahal naman kayo mga padlock ron. Oh. Students in, students out. Lunchtime. Hello, Sophie. La 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 la. You did not receive the bill? Oh. Wait, mag-open ko sa gate.